Starting an online business can be intimidating, especially when it comes to choosing the right niche. In this video, we will provide you with the ultimate checklist to help you choose the best niche for your online business. The first step in choosing the right niche is to define your passions. What are you interested in and what motivates you? These can be great starting points when it comes to finding a niche for your online business. Researching the market is crucial when it comes to picking the right niche for your online business. You want to make sure there's a demand for what you're offering and that there isn't too much competition. While it's important to choose a niche you're passionate about, you also want to make sure it's profitable. Consider whether or not people are willing to pay for what you're offering and how much they're willing to pay. Choosing a niche based on your skills can be a smart move. What are you good at and what do you have experience in? These skills can help you stand out in a crowded market. When choosing a niche, it's important to consider its potential for growth. Is this a trend that will fade quickly or is it something that has long-term potential? By following this ultimate checklist, you'll be well on your way to choosing the best niche for your online business. Remember to consider your passions, research the market, evaluate profitability, assess your skills, and evaluate its potential for growth.